Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to accept tickets on SeatGeek. First, you have to log into your SeatGeek account through your mobile application or in SeatGeek website. And at the bottom you will find a ticket icon. Simply click on it, and after clicking on the ticket icon you will find a tab where you can find the pending tickets, incoming tickets that someone sent to your account, or the ticket comes from any other platforms. Then you can simply click on that accept ticket button to accept the ticket on SeatGeek. Also, you can click on cross icon if you don't want to accept it. That means you are going to reject that ticket if you are going to click on this cross icon. As soon as you click on accept ticket, you will find the ticket and all the details of the ticket in your my ticket tab, and you can also get the more details after clicking on that ticket. Here it is, and that's how you can accept tickets on SeatGeek. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.